Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you stay vibrant, active, and feeling your best as you age. If you're over 60 and noticing tingling in your hands, aching knees, or legs that just don't have the pep they used to, you're in the right place. Did you know that 90% of seniors don't realize these issues often come from losing collagen, that protein that keeps your joints limber, muscles strong, and nerves happy? By age 65, most of us have lost over 30% of our collagen, which is why stiffness, pain, and weakness start creeping in. But don't worry, today, we're sharing the top 8 collagen boosting vegetables to help you turn things around, ranked from great to game changing. And trust me, number 3 can rebuild cartilage and cut nerve pain by 40% in just weeks. We've got the science to back it up, with links to studies in the description. Before we jump in, let us know in the comments, where are you watching from, and are you feeling those symptoms more in your hands or legs? We're reading every comment and replying, so let's connect. Alright, let's dive into veggie number 8. It's probably already in your fridge. Number 8, red bell peppers. Let's kick things off with red bell peppers. These colorful gems aren't just for jazzing up your salads, they're a collagen building superstar, thanks to their massive dose of vitamin C. After 60, your body's collagen production slows way down, and without enough vitamin C, it practically grinds to a halt. Just half a cup of red bell peppers gives you over 150% of your daily vitamin C, which your body needs to turn amino acids into strong, stretchy collagen fibers that support your joints, blood vessels, and nerves. A 2020 study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with higher vitamin C intake had stronger grip strength, walked faster, and had less inflammation. Plus, vitamin C protects the collagen you've still got, especially in high wear spots like your knees, wrists, and ankles. Red bell peppers also pack capsaicin, an antioxidant that fights oxidative stress, which damages joints and nerves over time. Pro tip: eat them raw or lightly sautéed to keep that vitamin C intact. Overcooking kills it. Slice them into salads, dip them in hummus, or toss them into a stir-fry at the last second. These peppers aren't just tasty, they're rebuilding your tissues, protecting your nerves, and slowing collagen loss to keep you moving. Number 7, spinach. Next up, spinach. Don't let its leafy, unassuming look fool you. This green is a collagen powerhouse that's fantastic for keeping your joints flexible, boosting circulation, and protecting those sensitive nerves in your hands and legs. What makes spinach so great for us over 60 is how its nutrients work together to shield collagen and keep muscles and nerves strong. It's loaded with vitamin A as beta-carotene, which helps control the genes that make collagen. Without enough vitamin A, your collagen-producing cells called fibroblasts start slacking off. Even better, spinach's lutein and chlorophyll help detox your body and fight chronic inflammation, which is a major collagen killer as we age. Inflammation attacks the collagen around your joints and nerves, leaving you stiff, achy, and missing that springy feeling in your step. Spinach also brings magnesium to the table, a mineral over 60% of older adults are short on. Magnesium is key for muscle function, nerve signaling, and collagen production. Without it, you might get cramps, tingling hands, or joints that don't get enough blood flow. A 2018 study in biological trace element research showed seniors with more magnesium had tougher connective tissue and fewer nerve issues like carpal tunnel or sciatica. And don't miss spinach's nitrates. They open up blood vessels, delivering oxygen to tricky spots like hands, feet, and knees, where poor circulation and collagen loss hit hard. Better blood flow means faster collagen repair, less stiffness, and fewer pins and needles moments. If your knees ache on walks or your hands tingle when you're typing, spinach needs to be your go-to. It's not just a green, it's a circulation boosting, collagen protecting must-have. Now, let's talk about okra. I know, the slimy texture isn't everyone's favorite, but hear me out. This veggie is a hidden gem for joint health, nerve protection, and collagen rebuilding, especially for us seniors. If your joints feel stiff or your fingers lock up when you grip things, okra could be your new best friend. Its secret is mucilage, a gel-like fiber that doesn't just help digestion, it cushions your joints like the natural synovial fluid that protects cartilage. As collagen breaks down with age, joints get dry, brittle, and inflamed, causing pain. Okra's compounds, like pectin, rhamnogalaxuranin, and polyphenols, kickstart collagen production and reduce oxidative stress that damages cartilage. A 2021 study in pharmaceutical biology found okra extract cut joint inflammation, boosted collagen density, and even regrew damaged cartilage in animal studies. That's huge, because weak knees or tingling hands often mean you're losing the collagen structure in your joints and nerve sheaths. Okra helps rebuild it. It's also packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, and manganese, all critical for collagen production. Vitamin K keeps calcium in your bones, not your joints, vitamin C fuels new collagen fibers, and manganese supports proline, a key collagen building block. Without these, even a high-protein diet won't rebuild collagen. Okra's quercetin and flavonoids also protect nerves from oxidative damage, easing numbness, burning, or weakness in your legs, feet, or hands. These issues often tie to crumbling connective tissue, not just nerves, and okra slows that down. If you're waking up stiff, battling knee pain, or feeling finger tingles, okra's more than a southern side, it's a natural repair kit for your joints, nerves, and collagen. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli's not just for health nuts, it's one of the best veggies for rebuilding tendons, ligaments, and collagen-rich tissues as we age. After 60, your collagen matrix gets brittle, leading to creaky knees, stiff ankles, or numb fingertips. That's not just aging, it's your body's structural protein breaking down. Broccoli fights back with sulforaphane, a compound in cruciferous veggies that fires up your body's detox and repair genes. A 2020 study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology showed sulforaphane protects collagen-making fibroblasts, reduces inflammation in connective tissue, and speeds up cartilage healing. For us seniors, that means stronger knees, better grip, and tougher tendons that fray over time. Sulforaphane's got backup: 2 broccolis loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and glucosinolates, all working to build collagen, protect bones, and ease joint stress. These nutrients help your body make new collagen and shield existing fibers from inflammation, arthritis, or poor circulation. Broccoli's antioxidants also support nerve health, crucial if you're dealing with tingling, burning, or numbness in your hands or legs. They reduce oxidative damage around nerves, especially in extremities, helping restore normal signaling and calm flare-ups from weakening connective tissue. Plus, broccoli's fiber helps keep blood sugar steady, which matters because high glucose speeds up collagen glycation, making tissues stiff and injury-prone. If your knees pop, your hands feel weak, or your legs aren't moving like they used to, broccoli's a daily must. It's not just a veggie, it's a nerve protector, joint restorer, and collagen builder to keep you active and independent. Number 4. Beets. If your legs feel heavy, cold, or tingle when you walk, it might not just be a muscle issue, it could be circulation and collagen problems. Beets tackle both at once, and they're a powerhouse for seniors. Poor blood flow starves collagen-producing cells, slowing tissue repair and weakening everything from your knees to your fingers. Beets boost nitric oxide production, opening blood vessels and delivering oxygen and nutrients to joints, nerves, and muscles. A 2019 study in Nutrients found older adults drinking beet juice daily saw a 21% boost in leg blood flow, better walking stamina, and stronger quads. Here's the collagen link. Better blood flow means more vitamin C, amino acids, and minerals like copper and zinc, all needed for collagen synthesis, get to where they're needed. If circulation's poor, collagen can't rebuild, and for those over 60, that's a hidden reason for weak legs and tingling hands. Beets also have betalain, the pigment that makes them red, which acts as a powerful antioxidant to protect collagen from oxidative stress. High oxidative stress in seniors speeds up tendon breakdown, cartilage erosion, and nerve damage, all worse without collagen. Beets clean up the free radicals attacking your connective tissue. They also bring folate, a B vitamin key for cell turnover, skin repair, and joint health. Low folate is linked to high homocysteine, an inflammatory compound that wrecks collagen and stiffens blood vessels. Beets are a must for seniors with leg issues like numb toes, weak calves, or slow healing knee pain. Roast or steam them, boiling leaches nutrients, or try fresh beet juice, no sugar added, or shredded raw beets in salads. Pair with citrus to boost nitrate absorption and nitric oxide release. If your legs feel a decade older, beets could be your ticket back, rebuilding your collagen from the inside. Seaweed might sound like a weird one, it's slimy and not exactly a grocery store staple, but it's one of the most powerful collagen rebuilding foods out there, and most seniors are missing out. If your joints are stiff, tendons feel tight, or you're getting nerve tingles in your hands or legs, seaweed could be your secret weapon. Its magic comes from its rich minerals and collagen-boosting compounds like iodine, alginate, and fucoidan, which help rebuild the tissue framework holding you together. Collagen needs more than protein or vitamin C, it requires minerals like copper, manganese, and zinc, all found in seaweed in forms your body can easily use. These act as enzyme helpers, ensuring collagen strands form correctly. Without them, joints stay stiff, tendons dry out, and nerves get irritated from weak structural support. Studies in Marine Drugs and the International Journal of Biological Macromolecules show seaweed's polysaccharides, like fucoidan, boost fibroblast activity, increase collagen production, and reduce inflammation around joints and nerves. Seaweed also brings anti-inflammatory omega-3s, plant sterols, and iodine, which supports your thyroid. Why does that matter? Your thyroid controls metabolism and tissue repair speed. Low iodine and a sluggish thyroid can cause cold hands and feet, muscle cramps, numbness, and slow healing, all tied to collagen breakdown. Seaweed also boosts skin elasticity and wound healing, a sign of a strong collagen network. A 2021 study found seniors using seaweed extract had faster tendon recovery and less joint pain in just 4 weeks. This isn't just for gut health, it's a connective tissue reviver. Try low-sodium nori sheets or seaweed snacks without added oil or sugar. Crumble them into soups, sprinkle on salads, or blend into smoothies for a mineral boost you won't even taste. A few servings a week can start turning back the clock on your joints, fingers, and legs. If your knees are stiff, hands burn at night, or legs feel wobbly, this sea veggie might be the healing food you've never tried. Oh, and if you're loving this so far, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our weekly tips to keep you thriving. Number 2. Asparagus. Asparagus isn't just a fancy side dish for special occasions, it's one of the best collagen repairing veggies, especially if you're dealing with loose joints, sagging skin, or burning nerve pain in your legs and hands. After 60, your collagen breaks down faster than your body can rebuild, leaving you with weak knees, achy fingers, and connective tissue that can't support muscles, tendons, or skin. Asparagus steps in to help. It's packed with glutathione, your body's top antioxidant, which protects and rebuilds collagen. Glutathione fights oxidative stress that damages collagen in joints, skin, and nerve fibers. Low glutathione in seniors is linked to slow healing, more inflammation, and faster muscle loss. A 2020 study in oxidative medicine and cellular longevity found seniors with higher glutathione levels had stronger collagen, tougher bones, and less joint breakdown. Asparagus also has vitamin K, which keeps calcium in your bones and cartilage, not clogging joints or blood vessels, a big issue after 60 that causes stiffness and nerve compression. Its folate supports DNA repair and cell turnover, crucial for rebuilding collagen fibers. Low folate means slower healing, thinner skin, and delayed muscle repair. Asparagus's prebiotic fiber also feeds your gut microbiome, helping your body absorb collagen-boosting nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium. If you're noticing loose knees, sore hips, or tingling arms when you reach, add asparagus to your weekly lineup. It's not just a veggie, it's a collagen rebuilding powerhouse your body needs. Number 1, parsley. You might think parsley's just a garnish, but it's the ultimate collagen rebuilding veggie and probably the most underrated healing food for seniors. If your hands go numb, knees feel weak, or skin sagging faster than you'd like, parsley could change the game. It's got one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C and vitamin K per gram of any veggie, 2 nutrients that control how fast and strong your collagen rebuilds. A handful of fresh parsley has more vitamin C than an orange, and that's huge because vitamin C is the key to collagen synthesis. Without it, your body can't make new collagen fibers, no matter how much protein you eat. After 60, collagen breakdown outpaces repair unless you give your cells the right fuel. A 2022 study in nutrients showed seniors with high vitamin C intake had stronger tendons, better joint mobility, and thicker skin collagen, especially in knees and hands. Parsley also has apigenin, a plant flavonoid that reduces inflammation in collagen-making fibroblasts, helping your body not just build collagen but protect it. For seniors with arthritis, chronic inflammation, or nerve flare-ups, apigenin is a lifesaver, calming tissue breakdown and supporting the collagen framework for skin, joints, and spinal nerves. Parsley boosts glutathione, too, clearing toxins that mess with collagen in skin, cartilage, and ligaments. Its chlorophyll helps deliver oxygen to tissues, speeding up muscle and joint healing. Best of all, it's super easy to use. Chop a handful and toss it into salads, eggs, soups, smoothies, or sprinkle over roasted veggies. Don't just use it for looks, make it a daily collagen boost. A few tablespoons a day can make a big difference. If your joints creak, fingers tingle, or legs feel older than you, parsley's not just a herb, it's a health hero and the top collagen restoring veggie for those over 60. Let's wrap it up. Tingling hands, weak legs, and stiff joints aren't just part of getting older, they're signs your collagen's disappearing. By the time you notice these, your body's likely lost 30 to 40% of its collagen stores. But here's the truth, you don't need expensive supplements or injections. These 8 veggies: parsley, spinach, seaweed, okra, and the rest are backed by science to rebuild collagen, protect your nerves, strengthen joints, and bring energy back to your hands and legs. Start tomorrow, one veggie at a time, and watch the difference. We want to hear from you. What symptom are you tackling? Tingling hands or weak legs? Drop it in the comments, we're reading and replying to everyone. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more weekly tips to keep you strong, steady, and thriving in your 60s and beyond. Got questions or stories to share? Leave them below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, friends.